Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to rescue live your Gmail ID. In case your Gmail ID has been hacked, hijacked or stolen or changed the password, now you don't have access to recover it. Then of course, without having registered the recovery email and recovery mobile number, how do you rescue your Gmail ID? We will see live here. The one viewer who has recommended to the recovers this Gmail ID. So we will see via sufficient information or giving the enough information, providing of course sufficient information to the Google so that we can claim so that this ID is mine. And how it is possible? This can be possible. Of course, we will see here. So first and foremost, see here this ID. Just we will come in and sign in, and here we have either we can enter the password, either we can of course go for forgot password. We don't have a password, so just of course we will click on a forgot. Now see, we don't have a phone number, so let's see, click on here. We don't have a phone number because of losing his device. Actually he hasn't the recovery email and recovery phone. Now it's essential that we did not provide enough information for the Google to the shows and that this account is mine. So how can I try again and answer the question shows, and then of course in this can be handled. So see guys, if I do the multiple times here, try again and again, so then another platform will be offense, and there we will have to provide the sufficient information with legal document, either it is identity card or license or anything shown. The basis of the Google will endorse to the justify that this account is yours. But of course the estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours, so of course it will take much more delay. So in that condition, of course, this is not a good for data protections. Quickly, how do you respond to the recoveries? We will see here. I mean, cut it from here, and upon of course we will have to come to the Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we have the one clue that we will have to open. That is a WE. Of course, we will go for WEV browser, where it is Android. Now see, browser for Android. Just let's see. Now here, just we will have to do nothing. Just we will click on especially browser for Android. Now see, it's opening here. You have to do nothing much more. Just say scarcely within 30 seconds it would be installed. So before installation, it's installing. On the other hand, of course, we will have to follow these kind of the instructions. We will come the G browsers to hold it, and of course we will come the notification help icon there. Of course we will have to make it disable. So now see here, if you wax of course in the permission, we will have to claim especially locations to. Of course we will have to make the precise location, and upon click on don't allow anyway. Don't allow anyway means of course if you deny this the permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended for timing. I'm doing it. Then of course we can cut it from here, and upon yes, as we know that the Chrome is also a product of Google, so hold that, and upon of course click on help icons, and in the help icon of course we will come notifications, similar strategy we will have to apply here. So now it's gone. Now of course we will back, and in the permission of course we will come in a location to navigate to the precise location. We will have to block, so then of course we will click. So similar no longer function as intended of this, but here we will have to back one more time. We'll have to max in this space of this, and thereupon of course we will back one more time, and in a default browser we will have to come there, especially we will have to select the web browser. Now see, Android for browser for Android is web browser. Remind you that. Now we will come here, and thereupon what we will do guys here, let's come in web browser, and thereupon of course we will pixel this one, and here we will have to go for nothing. Just we will click on it, done, and done to of course we will go for G Google, and especially now directly we are on here. We will here leave it to this, and we will have to pick these ones. Now here we will have to nothing, just we will have to mention this ID. Now we will go for next here guys, we will have to do. Now here once again we will have to enter the password. We don't have a password, so we will click on a similar as a forgot password, and if I click on a forgot password, now this is essentially we don't have, so we will go for try another way, and yes, we will go for here also we don't have, try another way, and now see here what will happens. Now it's essentially the answer has many questions. Use a device where I'm sorry sir, guys, you have to sign in before couldn't sign in you. So now what we can here, don't worry, don't click on a try again, so otherwise it would be a freeze for timing the particulars 48 hours or 1 day 2 days, so or for permanence also. So if I go for try again, so here is also clue, but here's the more tips to the recovery it. So more tips to the recovery it means just we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will come in a setting, guys. So tap on a setting, we will come in a, now this is very crucial step that we will have to execute on accurate time, or certain times, in certain time, guys. Now see Google service we have on this one, we will have to pick, and thereupon of course in the help dot 3 we will pick these help options. Now see Google will do everything now itself. Can't sign in your accounts. Now here we will have to select the issues which one is a better I think, especially you think someone else is using your account, it means it has been hacked, stolen by someone, changed the password by someone, of course hijacked by someone. In all kind of the issues we can of course here. Now see here, yes, secure your account, we would like to secure once again option that. So last review activity of course we have to find out, and here find out if your account has been hacked, and just this one we will have to pick, and of course now see we will be landed here, just we will have to click on the recovery. Now see automatically it has gone. Now here once again we will have to write here this ID. Now what we have to do, guys, here just we will have to go for next, and see here what we will have to do, just click on next. Now we are directly here, see what we will do here. We have to nothing, just we will go for not now here. Don't click on a directly continue, otherwise of course you will trap in a it's verify you. So here we have two options, continue and change the password. We are not going to, just take a sincere decision, guys. Here if you go for continue, then we will trap, and of course Google will start to verify that it's you. Then of course you will have to add the you will have to give the alternative recovery number, or you will have to give some the special recovery emails, because the OTP would be generated on that particular app. So on this app, so you don't have, so that's why actually either you don't have the recovery and the recovery email or recovery phone number, then of course directly we will go for change the password. Live right now I cannot change the password because it will be in a public domain, this password, so this can be. But right now yes, you can create the password, you can confirm the new password and go for change. When you change, then you will have to go in a management of Gmail, and thereupon in management center of course you will have to add there in a security center, going add the alternative email and alternative of course phone number, so that whenever you would like to recover, when you would like to change the password, whatever you would like to do with this ID, this can be of course, and of course this ID has been finally recovered. Just let me change, and of course I will give out to my viewer. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Just a similar status do it, and of course rescue your account, rescue your Gmail accounts. This is all about. Thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.